I want to show you how to make a frequency distribution and then a histogram in Excel using pivot tables. So this is just heights of fathers, mothers, then first son and first daughter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and I'm going to go to insert and I'm going to insert pivot table. Okay, and I'm going to do table range and then I'm just going to put in all my data. So this is A1 through B, actually D, 1 second. D135. Okay, I'm going to make a new worksheet and click OK. Now, you can see here, this gives me all my different labels. I am going to click on father and I'm going to bring it down here to rows. And automatically, it just gives me, this is every value that's possible. Okay, I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on group. Now, I'm going to expand this because I want to make a frequency distribution that's I'm going to turn into my histogram. So I'm going to start a little below, and I'm going to start 60, and I'm going to go to 80. And I'm going to count by fives. But again, you can pick whatever works for you. And you can see right there, it made for me my classes. Then I'm going to take father, and I'm going to click it down to value. And now what it did is it counted how many are in each. And if you keep track of, that's my 134 original values. If I wanted to make a histogram, I would then just copy. I would just highlight all that, insert, and there's mine. And just like before, I can add my tables. I can mess around with it. It works just like the other histograms, but it will do the counting for you. Now, if you're under 50, counting is pretty easy to do by yourself. But if as you start getting with bigger numbers and you have more data, it can get really tedious and easy to miss a number. So this is a great way to have Excel help you with it. And you can see here as you go through, I did father, but you could start messing around and doing more. You're just pulling down what you need to your things. This row is going to be how you create your labels, your classes, and then values is how you're going to get your counts.